This video is another across the floor combo, and this is really going to focus on the landings of our jumps and our leaps. So I find that, and this one will involve tilt jumps to start. And with tilt jumps, I feel like my students have really gotten good at the up, but we are constantly focusing on the down and the landing of the tilt jump. That always seems to be the difficult part, so that we're not landing in two pieces or wobbly. We want to land solid so that we're able to either transition into another skill or to add choreography right after the landing of a jump, but we have to have that jump solid in order to progress to something after that jump. So this across the floor combo is the main focus is going to be the landing. So we're going to start walking, and by walking I mean running, because you're going to need some momentum into the tilt jump. So we're going to take 2 runs, right foot, left foot on 1, 2. I'm going to do tilt jump, so I'm going to développé through it. I'm going to tilt jump on 3. I'm going to take that in and land in a coupe with my right foot in the back on 4. So my landing should be in a diamond shape with my legs, this is my right foot in coupe in the back, and my heel completely down on my left foot so that I just stop in this position. That's going to feel really hard, but that's the kind of control from our open position here in our tilt jump that we want to use our core and our supporting leg to pull us right back onto our center at the very end. So you're going to run 1, 2, tilt jump on 3, hit here on 4. You're going to hold 5, 6. I'm going to pull to a straight leg on my left and up to a turned out passe with my right foot on 7, 8. From that position, hopefully you have and find that solid landing, because right from there, I'm going to pull to an extension. So my arms are going to shoot behind me. I'm going to take that leg, stack my hips on top of each other, and hit a full extension for 5, 6, 7, 8. So again, we will do the run 1, 2. I hit my tilt jump on 3. I land 4. I hold 5, 6. I pull up 7, 8. I hit my extension 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, bring it down for 7, 8 with that right leg so that you're ready to prepare yourself again to take those 2 runs into the tilt jump. Now, normally when I do this combo across the floor, I'll start with just the tilt jump and focus just the landing. So we'll do 1, 2, tilt jump, hold, 5, 6, 7, 8, run, run, tilt jump, hold, to kind of get you the feeling of having a solid landing, of finding your center first. Then you can stack the extension on top of that after you've gone across the floor 1 time. So again, it will look like this. Running 1, 2, tilt jump 3, 4, 5, 6, passe 7, 8, extension 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, prepare 7, 8.